OneSearch is a tool many libraries now use to allow people to search their library's print and digital collections in a single search interface. This means you can search the library's print catalog to see what books, textbooks, or DVDs you can access in person, and you can search for ebooks, articles, and streaming videos that you can access online through the library's databases all at the same time. You can think of OneSearch like Google, but for library resources. To get to ELAC Library's OneSearch tool, you'll have to start at our library's homepage, library.elac.edu. You'll see our OneSearch box in the middle of our homepage. Let's watch a short video on how to find books and ebooks in OneSearch. You can always start at elac.edu and click on the menu at the top and find the library. Once at the library's homepage, scroll down and you'll see the OneSearch box. Type in your topic. For this demonstration, we'll use social media activism. Hit the search button and you'll see OneSearch load in a new tab. On this new page, you'll see your list of results below. Notice we're getting a mix of books and articles. If you want to limit your results to just see books, use the resource type filter on the left and limit to books. Your results list will change to only display books and ebooks. If a book says available online, this means it's an ebook that you can read online. If it says available at, this book is available in print. Click on a book's title to get more information. This book is called Tweets and Streets. As you scroll down, you can see more information about the book, like the author and publication date. Scroll down more and you can click on Citation to generate the book's citation in APA, Chicago, or MLA style. Scroll down further and you can see this book is available to view online as an ebook in the JSTOR Books Open Access database. Click on the name of the database to open the ebook in its database. Scroll down and now you'll see you can read the book by simply clicking on a chapter title. Now you're reading the book online here in JSTOR. Back in the OneSearch tab, you can see we also have this book available in print at ELAC. Notice under location, it says available ELAC stacks. The stacks are the book stacks upstairs. To find the book on the shelf, you'll need to write down the book's call number. Let's talk for a bit about those call numbers. In libraries, print books are organized by subject matter, and each book is given a call number based on the book's primary subject. Think of a call number like a book's shelf address. Whenever you need to find a book in a library, you'll need to write down that book's full call number in order to locate it on the shelf. When accessing ebooks in OneSearch, you won't have to worry about these call numbers. Just click on the database name and you can read the entire ebook online in the database. Our most common ebook databases include EBSCOhost eBook Collection, Gale eBooks, and JSTOR Books. Just remember, not every book is available to read as an ebook. Some books we only have in print, and you'll need that call number for those. Let's move on to finding articles in OneSearch. Before we go back to OneSearch, I wanted to remind everyone of the different types of articles you might find. Popular magazine and newspaper articles, like Time and the Los Angeles Times, are great for information on current events and local news. Scholarly journal articles, sometimes referred to as academic or peer-reviewed articles, are great for researching academic topics and often include data and statistics in original research studies. They are called peer-reviewed because these articles must undergo a rigorous review process by other scholars in the field of study before being published. Now let's watch a video demonstrating how to find these different article types in OneSearch. If you're already in OneSearch, you can click on the drop-down next to your search terms at the top, click on Articles, then hit the Search button to show only articles on your topic. This will remove things like books and streaming video. In this demonstration, we'll also click on the Advanced Search button to add more search terms. Notice at the top, we're still looking at articles. For this demonstration, we'll add the term Black Lives Matter and hit Search. You'll see in our results below that some articles have the peer-reviewed icon underneath the record, indicating it was published in an academic journal. You can also use the filters on the left to limit to only scholarly journal articles if needed. Before doing that, let's click on the first article to investigate. Up top, we see the title, the author, and the source, Bloomberg Businessweek. This article we happen to also have in print as well as online. Scrolling down, we can click on the citation button to generate a citation for this article. Scrolling down further, we see this article is available online through EBSCOhost Business Source Elite database. Click on that database to be taken to the article. If you're off campus, this is where you'll be prompted to log in before the database loads. Here in EBSCO, we're taken to the article record with helpful information like the article's abstract. You'll still have to click on the full text links off to the left in order to view the full text of the article. Here's the HTML version of the article. That's just typed out on the screen. And here's the PDF version. The PDF version will show you what the article looks like in its original print source. Back in the OneSearch page, let's now look at one of the peer-reviewed articles. Clicking on the title of number 2, you'll see this article is from a journal called Social Media and Society. Scrolling down, you'll notice the article is available to view online in the SAGE database. Again, you'll click on the name of the database and that will take you to the article. In this case, we're taken to the HTML version, which you can read on the screen here. You'll also see there's a download PDF option to the left if needed. Back in OneSearch, you can click on that citation button again to generate the article's citation. Okay, that was a lot of information. Let's take a quick moment to review what we just learned. First, we learned you can access the OneSearch tool to find books, ebooks, and articles at the library's homepage, library.elac.edu. Next, we learned you can use the resource type filter in OneSearch to limit to books or scholarly journals as needed. Side note, you can also use that left column in OneSearch to filter by publication date, subject matter, or database. Lastly, don't forget to click on an item in OneSearch to get more information about that item. For example, you can generate a citation by clicking the Citation button and choosing your citation style. And you can read online articles and ebooks by clicking on the database name under the View Online options.